Prolong HD, Sophie True. True.
Yo, Max. Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on.
Father God, may I beg you, please, just please answer my prayer. Just please make the farm work something to come true, God. But this is a really needy, this is a really needy, God. Because right now, they are so hungry and sick out and nobody feel me, God. Please, may I beg you, just make this come true for me, God. Just make this work for me, God. And you me put my trust in her, God. And I know say you go come true for me. Father God, may I pray for my sister too, you know. May I pray for my sister too, because I don't like the way him go on with Fame man. Or Fame man I deal with him, God. May I pray for change him from his foolish ways, God. Make him have little sense, God. I don't know if in-laws so screw or something, God. But in fact, God, I don't want to go too deep into that still, you know. But I want to just show me a sign, God. Show me who care about me, God, and who rate me. You see what I say? Show me a sign, God. I know you're going to answer my prayer, God. You me believe in her, you me trust in her. You see it? And you said before one of your word pass, heaven and earth pass, God. More you show me a sign. Show me a sign, Father God. Watch your sis, what go on? Are you me just there I pray for you?
Master, you love that tree, yeah? Oh, God.
Well, it's me for day.
Every day you can
Come here, go on like say you're afraid of me. What go on?
Nothing. So yeah, pray about me, so now.
No, sis, you know, life set upside down and sometimes. So I say so. Today I say pray for your life change to you, see it?
Then my life change. Some want to my life.
Well, you don't need to go into that right now. But I just give God thanks for life, you see it?
Yeah, man, we have to give God thanks for life.
You see it?
Man.
You say alright, though, you're good.
Yeah, man, just come after work.
You can see it, man, you can see it. You look tired, though.
Yeah, man. Go pick a man, make me
Oh.
One little seat.
You can come up.
One man, go on.
Because you're a tomboy from when you're here.
So yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Boy, sis from Pop's dead. If I know you see him again. Again, you see it? I know me there, I don't feel well more money for buy Panadol and something.
boy, my brother, you know, things set one way. I'm not happy right now, you know, but I feel you can check me later. I go talk to Skinny and see if he can give me one little money, you know, and see if I can get you a little pill, because I have no money for me right now, you know. So, brother, I just little coffee have, you know. You can get little leaf of life and boil up, you know, say. And everything you have to run to doctor for medicines for, you know, because, you know, we have natural herbs, you know. That work better, you know.
Sis, that not. What you mean by little leaf of life? I mean, they are cough out me one of my
A
chest.
little cough, man.
So, when me, you can see if you borrow it from Skinny.
So now that me just a tear, man, I've got a Skinny, you know Skinny Tommy.
So, everything you have to ask Skinny. Look like a Skinny around your head or something.
Please yourself, man. You know me have to run it by the boss.
So, you gonna make your one brother dead and dead.
No, bro. Me have to ask Skinny, man. No worry yourself.
So, sister, hold on. Furthermore, see, today it's supposed to, to be your pay day. Today is Friday, you know?
Me tell you, man, a thing. You know what? Me soon link you.
You know, say me not like your style, though. Today is Friday, you know, sis. Today is Friday.
Me know, man, but me tell you.
You go make me dead, sister.
No,
You go
man,
make me dead.
Me have to run it by the boss. I say, you know what thing set, man.
So Skinny, if your boss is Skinny around your head, everything is Skinny.
No, bro.
You ever go to Skinny for every information?
Know yourself, man. So where did I say now?
So what me go and do?
Alright. Me soon link you.
Come on, I have something to tell you too.
What that
I
now?
mean, no, because, come, sit down, man. I have something to tell you.
Tell me now, man.
I have something to tell you. You ever dip on ears? Sis, just hear me out now. Just hear me have to say. Hear me have to say. You see what I say? Yeah. I deal with one farm work program. You see what I say? I sign up for you like a farm work thing there, brother. You see it? I dare and I pray to Father God and I pray for you to feel come true.
You're not easy, you know. First you ask about pill, now you try pill me. You got along here, man.
What I try to pill you with?
What kind of farm work do you make that talk about? You have money for deal with farmer program. You know how much money that? I remember all plane ticket. You know how much money for plane ticket?
You know, sis, but you are working and me not working. You know, must can help out your brother. You know, must can help, help me out. You they are sick, you know. You must can help me out. You can't buy more. You can't buy one big Panadol. Give me nothing. There's
My
nothing,
brother,
so.
me tell you a thing already. You just need to go buy Mass Joe and get a little leaf of life boil, you know. And sit there, you know. Me go talk to Skinny about that. Me go make you get it feel.
You know, say from daddy gonna change.
Nothing no go so, you know. Nothing no go so.
Me go take your word, you know. You sure you can help me today or Friday? You must get paid. You must get paid, sis.
Me not just tell you a thing, brother. Me say me go talk to Skinny.
Alright.
Later, man.
Alright. Imagine, yeah, my sister, you can't help me. You have this man around your head. Can't help me. Can't help me. As a sister. You don't know what kind of sister you be. My God, me just pray for you answer, me pray for you get that farm work there. Chat me where you go.
Sun feel nice, but my skin. Yeah. John, I'm ready an idea, you know. I eat an idea. Wonder, what about some chicken or what? Could I cook some food?
Yo. Yo. Which chicken you talk about? Chicken make you weak. You boy, you man. Chicken make you weak. You have to eat like pork.
Pork?
You want to eat chicken every day, brother. Chicken don't do nothing for you for true. It make you weak.
That me used to, you know.
See it, man. That's why you're so soft.
See, you can't afford pork.
What you ask me, say? Jay, so when you talk to me, bro, you have to talk to me with understanding. Today is Friday, you know. What you mean if me can't afford pork? I'm a talk fact, watch his style. May I show you how to be a man?
Yeah?
Yeah, cause like you know, grew up here.
Alright, let me
I show you his style, yeah? When you're there on skinny, you feel roll like a big man, brother, and stuff in the street. You can't go on like no soft ass, brother. That me I try show me. Yo, you come like you not learn, brother. Today Friday, you ask me if me can afford pork.
Guinea baby.
Yo, well, baby, my man, where you there? For man, you say I come link me. Eh?
Me a come, man.
Hurry up, man.
Alright.
Sure, man.
Baby, no bother with him, man.
I saw you deal with them for true.
True.
Badness
Yeah,
never
man.
stop.
Yeah.
Day and night.
True.
Right round the clock. Tick, 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 tick. Badness for true.
Respect me, G.
Yo, Jay,
Yeah.
let me teach you something about the street. You see, as a thugs out there, you have to be a man.
Real name.
Woman will walk over you.
Real thing, yo.
Woman will what?
Walk over you.
Woman
Can't
will
allow it.
walk over you. You saw me deal with my catty.
Yes,
I
it.
saw you have to deal with them.
Real.
The moment you go on like, see, you hear him talk. There, baby, what? Where you there? If money my bring come.
Yeah.
Later we are on pork. With true.
True.
We are go with chicken. See if you ever mention a chicken for my plate. Problem, man. Pork make you
Big
strong.
meal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big, as a big man, you
As
have
a
to eat
big
big
man.
meal. You understand what I mean? Big meal like pork.
Yeah. True.
You understand?
Yeah, skinny.
Where are David?
Forward, me give you one chat to my G.
They go on with me killer.
I pray.
Suffer true.
There, my father.
No,
I'm
joke
working.
killer, man. Yo, a good thing you all pass through, you know. You don't know, say me have some new thing I come off of the wharf. Brand new. Some AK. Some Thompson with some pan on it. When it knock, he goes, come!
Yes,
Come.
heavy, my father.
Like a missile. I saw them take out my father. So watch your style now. No? When you link for your boy, them and tell them, say the new thing, them are coming from the ends. Is it? Next month, someone.
Tell you the truth still know my father. Now I do anything. Nothing my boy them depend
Oh, you tell me, some man, yo, me not like roll with some man who go on like them and
watch
surfers,
on,
you know,
watch
bro.
on,
Me I
watch
tell
on.
you, say the thing them are forward in. You go tell me, say the man them.
Yeah.
You know the man them want, bro.
Nothing
Just-
they depend that my father. Yesterday,
Yo,
the
that's
dog
the-
them a reason. The
Yo.
dog them depend that my father.
What you mean, man? I be a killers the pines, man. We are talk about
see.
killers and fear fall some Thompson.
Yo, man, them a pray for put on them something like that.
Yeah, man, but put on. Alright, me watch news every day.
And I like me can force him.
And me know everybody name. Me know everybody name, yeah? And me know everybody face. I'm watch news every day. There's so much of them there on news, but them are go on a church too. Go on a church.
Don't offer that still. I think that me can link about still.
So
you
go
know?
out.
You know, say my uncle say you want to give her 1 page though, but you want to run that.
They are still, man. How am I deal?
No, no, say you want to see you. So, watch out. I tell him say you have to link up and you're depending.
Yo, I tell her say thing them a ship in, bro.
Still depend that the argument. Them I tell her say dog them depend that my father.
Them new, bro, brand new. Never make another pay.
Yeah, watch out now. I don't promise you, but I see what I can do. Zane.
I just chat to them and make them know what I go.
Really?
Yeah. Remember, you know them brand new, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, for sure. Every time y'all call me, you know, no money. Hey, girl, don't ramp with me, eh? You don't know the style. Yeah, call off man phone if you have money. Yo, Jay, forward now. Yeah, look on the every day she call on my phone. One sugar cane and no money for cho. Forward them, G.
Oh, what you did?
Me tell her this, man. So when you greet me, say, yo, me killer friend. Yo, me murderer friend. Yo, bad charge. Now come yo me. Practice become perfect. Some people here, yeah, yo me I road them take man for some weak fence. You have to say, yo, killer. Yo, murderer friend. Yo, me bad charge. Now come yo me, dog.
You're going like saying I know what I mean. But anyway, different that. As some food more I'm gonna deal with the idea because you don't set man rough. Man,
That one day with man, I look for let me wait pan man. She take toll and my back sit down, you know.
Yeah, where she there?
Me kick him along the hill, make him a fly like kite. You know a thing go already. We no ramp and play with fall, we kick over fall. And box down fall. Badness for days. Badness in my DNA in the dog. You know his style already, for cho.
That's why I asked if you can show me way, man.
So now that me I try show you, but you move too slow and too weak.
Yo.
You have to hold all your fingers so more while. Like a real killer.
Yeah.
Like a real murderer.
Alright.
For sure. Sometimes you drop it all by your shoulder like a rifle you carry.
Yeah.
You understand? For sure.
Coming like a badness college that you got.
See how forward. Not to look down there because we know what she feel like, you know?
Yeah.
Because you know a badness go already. Yeah, man. Killer now. Roll soft and weak fence because them thing there. Well, alright, watch her now. You see when we go so boom and lift up toward the AK them.
Yeah.
When you carry toward the rifle. Right. Yo, go over there. Move and go over there, sir. You know you're a big man attack. What happened to you? Go over there, sir, man. So when we carry toward the rifle them. One, twice spinners them two in our waist. Because you know the killer roll already. You see?
Killer.
Yeah.
Killer.
You know, murderer, them roll already. You see it? So, Mama, come in our place. Much this? Yo, last week 11,000. Now 11,150. Which 150? Yo, let me tell you something, man. Tell your boss say you not work for free. Me and my killer friend will come running pan that and be a shot. You know them, man? Look pan him. You know him? Yo, look pan him, no man. You know him? You see them, man? Them man are real killer. Look pan him and them out, them rusty. Wall up the gunman and them, well rusty. You know how much dopey them man I make? How much dopey you make last night?
See your life stay though.
Much dopey you make last night? All that's for your pork.
Yeah, man, respect.
Yeah. How much dopey you make last night? Them man are murderer. You say Evelyn? Yo, what kind of lucky you have on shirt? Let me tell you something, man. You see your brother, I don't want you to wear no shirt with him name on there. Let me tell you.
No, man, I'm not lucky as in your brother.
Yo,
man,
stop
just...
ramp with the killer, no, man. You know, say enough ramp. Come give me a hug, man. You just come and pose up and give killer a hug. Give the killer a hug, man. I say you hug the killer. Hug up the killer and wind up on the killer. Make the killer friend know say, yo, man, a real murderer road. Yo, me so link you. Later, me short you up. Zin, I say 40. My bad charge it. Go on home. So, yo, me killer, watch you now. We are deal with the pork and make sure say it cook good enough.
Yeah, me killer.
You understand? How much money I get? Give me back. That's too much. What this?
So, how this to buy
Yo, you make up the rest.
What kind of style thing you David?
Yo, me so link you back that.
What this man? What the hell me for you if you buy 3 pounds of pork? How much for pork?
You see you, my sister? You see you, if you say me not see you?
I don't know.
If you say me not see you when I give skinny money. You think say me not see when I give skinny money? You think say me not see when I give skinny money? You want wicked, you know? Not tell me to calm down. Not tell me to calm down. You want wicked. Me see when I give skinny money. Me see when I give him all my money. You just have this man a run your head. Have this man a run your head and me sick. Eh? Me sick.
But bro, me don't tell you, I think, you know, I have to carry home certain amount of money.
Wait, you can stay so. Wait, you stay so. You can stay so, girl. You have one sister. And put me choices in my girl. You stay so. Wait, you can stay so. Eh? You could have just help me out. And you man that me and your blood will run through your veins. Your blood. Why you have to do me so?
I could have done no better.
What do you mean by you couldn't do no better? You could have do 100% more better.
You know, say when me come, me have to carry a certain amount of money.
Certain amount of money like you wall it. You wall it. Sister, you wall it, sister. You wall it, sister. Eh? Everything. Everything.
My brother, nobody take it to heart, man. I one little pill, you know? One little pill. You go get him, man. Me tell you something, I go talk to Skinny. It's just that in that moment, then me could talk to him, but you go get him.
It's alright, man, my sister. Everything good. Yes, I say everything good, man. I take your word. Everything good.
That me not like with him, you know? You just take everything out. Just too complicated, man. $9,500 this side. I'm not back at grocery store. Bit seven cash and Shan has seen it. Shan! Shan! Shan!
Yeah.
You know, you may call. Come here.
How long may I answer you?
And $9,500 may have give me fee.
What that mean?
Yeah, wash on.
Today Saturday, come you don't know what day today is.
Me know say today is Saturday. That's why me ask you for your money there.
But me don't have no money. You know say me don't have no money.
And you know say a market day today.
Today Saturday always market day, so
And you don't have no money.
come me not have no money.
Where money? Where money?
But you know where money there already.
Oh, me fi know where money there. Tell me I keep up for your money, Shan. Where money?
Come
give me
give
money.
you the money. Come me give you the money. And you know.
Come. Give me the money.
From if you find give me tell us me give you the money and you know.
I know say you want real big yamed though.
So how much away I am and still not get nothing from it. The man love me.
And you know say you're not gonna be here with him. You're not gonna be here. You're gonna remain as I am it. You mean if you tell me say every week mommy send you money come here, you take the money and I give you a big waste mansion.
So you never give nobody no money yet? You never give nobody, you're going like you're innocent.
Me not give man money.
So what? Make
Me honor you,
Make me I know what I get from it. Well, the boy love me, I know what I get from him. I don't know where you I get from for your man or whatever, but me I get the love from him. I understand that. I understand so I not give you no money, but soon make and flip the money so I can get money to give you.
You just make me blood a boil. One more time if you sit down and talk to you. But man, when you talk to a man, collect kill money now. You just collect mommy money alone you can collect. As you collect mommy money, so you just pass on it to your waste, man.
So you not collect mommy money to where you do it for your money?
See what me I go do it there, me I put it towards the house.
Well, you're a bigger one, me a smaller one, you control the money. When me get my money, I me use your share for your money for me and you.
Me not share it between me and you, you know, cause me and I am you come like you just like how your clothes look. I see them so you come like I am.
Well, everybody have their role in a life. You can be straight, well me I am let me am for the boy.
Me know.
I'm going to allow you to be a yummy to him. So when me I make sure I calm me, I tell you, so when he must send the money come,
You can't do that. You can't do that. You try to make sure you don't do nothing so me can call mommy too.
Yeah, you go call her and me go tell her say you want big piece of rent I am out here.
Come, relax.
I'm a big teddy bear sister. I love you, you know? I love you, but me just don't want you to make your boy take you for fool all the time, Shan. You can't always give and you not receive back nothing, Shan. Me know say I receive benefits from him round at the part that me even want to discuss with you right now, Shan. But me just need you to understand you can't take mommy hard working money I give to him all the time. Just stop now. When you look into me and say, Shan.
Alright, no problem. But I'm going to talk to him and see if he can change first. And then, if he not change, then I'm going to go.
If he not change, you know, you go. What you mean by if he not change? Me
So
know
you just want me to up upon if you mention?
Me never say if sis, me not tell
you
her
have to understand sometimes too. You have to understand something. We can't just jump up on it where you want me to run from man to man. Just sometimes you have to understand.
Sean, me not tell her who to do it for who you're not to do it, Sean. Me just want you understand the point and the facts and me I tell you. We make the boy understand so you can't give him your money all the time and he not give you back none. You get me point?
Yes, I understand.
And stop skin up your face, yo. Me I talk to you, youth. Just understand. Stop and take me hard earning money and give it to you, youth, yo.
Me hear you.
And I hope you tell him. Because next week when I ask you for the money, I don't want to hear that tell me about say you give boy money. Make sure you say
you're done now.
Yeah. I want to feel money and feel your money. Just stop it, just understand something. See, I'm a big waste man, they wait till all man buck him. What's your first time I take for him all the time? So kiki, and he not kiki him back. Watch me on him. That's the money a short figure of their market. What me I go do? No, say I have a great man, good on him and see many things where upon him, you take it from him to him. Then again, Shana go Bex. What next week you have no money for give me?
Sean. I would have done.
Sean.
Yo!
Yeah, ready.
Come here.
Whoa, look at her.
You alright?
Yeah, you come and you put on something around this or something.
Of course. You know I look good for you. You know I love you, man.
Got it, man. B, I don't want you to address me as no yo. You know, say man a gangster, I want to so you talk to me, sorry.
What that mean, you know?
What that mean?
Gangster business come. You know no gangster business. Just ease yourself up.
Yeah, I don't like you go and move on, you know. Yo, I love you, you know.
You know, so I love you too.
Yeah, baby. I like that. Yeah. But for real, B, I don't want you to address me as yo. You feel, at least say yo, I'm a killer. Or yo, baby, you know, you're the maddest thing. You know, or something nice.
No, I'm a knight and shining now.
You see, you know if it's
you
sweet,
know,
you know.
bad man, no? No, you take up people's style from there.
No,
You know,
which people's style, man, the mind.
Come on.
Yeah. But B, on a level still, I want to talk to you about something serious.
It's a serious and start one down.
Beans, when the payment come in, the next payment,
What do you mean by payment?
I have some things I want to take care of.
But I give you all that money already, Joe. You know, so I don't have no more money.
Ask your mother, no man, I want you, man, just ask her.
I don't have no more money. I see you make.
Come on, man.
So you make come
can't
across
convince
me.
it, no. This,
So you
you
make
can't
come-
watch what she's saying.
I'm
Can't
talk
watch
to
what
her
she's
till I say no already. I know me I get fine.
Yeah, because remember say we have the big planning and we can't work without the money, you know. So you see when you do your part, you help me out a big time and then me can help you out in return.
Alright.
Yeah.
Never talk to her.
Yeah, tell her, God, you
Can
can
I
watch
have
it.
some more money for do surgery?
Yeah.
Let me see them a share.
But she not believe that. Come on,
But
man. If you think about
you know me, you know.
Mm.
So when time I talk to me, just
Yeah.
call her out.
Oh, you see.
Nothing else.
So I will love you. You see?
That's why I'm gonna come and know someone get things strong, yeah. Yes. Are you coming in now? You don't know, see how easy though. You mashed me up last night, you know, and then I just gone about your business. Which part go last night?
Yeah, you know the killer do it already. You know, see, I'm not skinny there apart. You know, we do it already.
You think I am skinny. From last time and from the other day, I just be skinny. Be
You know,
skinny.
say, I'm have to show me the thing them. If I'm not go around him, how me I go there.
So you need somebody to show you something, you're twin?
Who not be, but you know, say, I'm have the links them and the whole like connection, you know. Can't bother if you start from scratch, you know.
I understand. Sometimes if you
Yeah.
spend time with me and everything, you must go around and then
Who
the
know, and
skin,
everything
skin,
I go pay
everything.
off
Can't
in the
manage.
long term, you know. Everything I go pay off in the long
Yeah,
term.
always
Just
I say
believe,
that.
no, man.
Yeah, always I say that.
Be if it's true this time. Yeah, and you see skinny. Him know what him a do. Him a show me pre. Last night, come a man say 10 up he make last night. Babes, look, listen. Me know say it seem like me don't know what me a do, you know. You see it, but me know what me a do, babes.
You need to all about me too. You can't all about skinny. Every minute of the day, tick of the clock, skinny.
No, bro. You know the thing go already. You see it, the man have the links them, right? The man know what him a do. And me think say, there's someone there right now.
Well, if it's something.
Yeah, boy, you know some man a gangster in the street already. So we have to par with the gangster then.
Every minute, but gangster. I can't bother with this foolishness and gangster every minute.
Baby,
gangster.
so make your move, sir. How you talk to, how you raise your voice up on? Mine, you know. Come like you don't know who you deal with.
Sorry.
But I see it there's someone. See, you look sweet. You know what I mean? I like when I have to rough you up and raise my voice to her. I say, see, you cute. You look a cute face. Yeah, man. Some I like when you do it, man. But don't do that again still. Because I never like rough you up, you know.
I like when you rough me, Peter.
Alright, that is it.
I'm coming to me if you top take my money, give you. Because you not give me nothing back in return.
Be you know, say I don't waste money. I invest in a business that I have in a boat.
I know, but come to know that.
Yeah, boo.
But you can't take all that money, Dre. Sometimes you
Yeah,
want.
girl. Sometimes we have to make little sacrifices. You know, say the returns are 10 times greater than when you don't get it, B. So you don't have to worry about that, mama. Just believe, no man.
I believe in you, Dre.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, see that just like that. So no make come stress you. Yeah.
I'm coming to finish our start last night.
Yeah, come here.
B, just remember if you lock your door back on you. And come into the market.
Where's our bathroom?
Yeah, man, I put the tomato and them, the refrigerator things them in the fridge, man. No worries, go and do your thing, yeah?
Okay.
Now come into the market. Get tomato and get onion. Now me I put them in the fridge. Some food time.
You done put them in the fridge, babe?
I'm gonna deal with that.
Yeah, come go ahead.
Yeah.
Alright, baby.
Yeah. So you know, come give me a hug.
Soon come, baby.
Come on,
Come in, mommy.
Look like you see a ghost.
Yeah, me see one ghost, of course, because it ghost when in our house when me I witness my 2 year I see you not supposed to that year.
What do you mean by that?
What you up here do, brother?
What do you mean me up here? I'm coming from my woman.
You even have your audacity if you in my house with your shoes. How about this for? You help by disinfectant up here?
How you talk, woman?
You only receive from up here, so you're not put nothing up here, so what's your problem?
Whole heap of big investment we have a deal with and them soon come through that money for you.
Me not tell her don't come back up on me here.
Can't stop me from come back up here. Hey girl, how you talk to
How happened
you know
to-
someone
how
I can't.
Yo, road boy.
happened?
I don't see you talk to woman charge.
What
You
you
see
mean?
me? I don't see you deal with woman. You know have your woman over there, so.
Relax.
Don't deal with my
Relax.
woman.
You never hear anybody disrespect me, man.
No.
I know your house alone
Second.
come. Mommy left this for the two of we and two of we go share this. Hello, him come up here as a visitor and my visitor. So you're a visitor there and you wear about shoes. You're a man in a shoes too. Relax.
And me and him live here. You piece of so-called man
hey,
where you have
hey.
your so.
Calm
You
down,
know,
calm
come
down,
up here
rude boy.
so
I don't see you
only
talk
take
to
out.
woman.
You know,
You
you
know,
shut
you
up,
feel
listen.
nothing.
Yo, no, listen. On P Street, you all will live the same place. You just go and keep it calm, you know?
Yo, hey.
Yo, calm down the road, boy. Calm down. I don't like how you approach my wife, you know?
Hey, what? What do you mean by yo?
No, what you do when you do it, you know? No, you say.
Yo, calm down, man. Calm down. What you saying him? Jay, easy, no, man. Badness irrelevant. You know what I mean?
Oh, you coming
at this? You know me have to defend me, man. Same way.
So you don't hear what she say?
But listen, man.
Look here. Me no need you fiction. One time I tell you, here all your man come up here and deal with me in my own house.
Are you first come?
I mean first. So you not respect and him not respect.
Come it and for where on the side here you.
Me go call mommy cause me not go bother with this in my place.
Him not have to come back up here.
Me don't want to come here.
Can't stop.
Cause in no manners.
You don't own right here, sir.
Bossy,
You're
calm
not
down,
coming
man.
here with gun finger. You what you do?
Yo.
What you feel like?
Yo, be easy. You may say no easy. You may say no second thing no man easy, man. You may say no, man. Remember, so we been past badness long time. We grew up past that bad, man. We don't feel too much violence. You don't make no sense. You get me? I say.
You know what? As a matter of fact, youngster in a chatty business and about a fractal thing. Right now, baby.
Look here, this I get out of hand. This I need to leave. This I get out of hand. Leave my place now. You get from bad to us. You need to leave.
Like say you love, use your mouth.
Me say you need to leave.
No, when you do it.
Leave one in your yard. This I get from bad to us and I have manners. You don't have no manners. Me don't want you to come back up here. Me don't want you to come back up here.
Come on, baby.
Father, calm down,
You get too bright.
Where you gun finger from, man?
Never your sister.
Calm down, man.
Me tell about the gun finger then. Man, me have to make it drop off in you. I want to you. Leave my place.
Tell about
I'm right.
Tell about the boy no be boy no manners.
Let's see me get from outer and now.
No, what train him?
I shan him a follow back at him. Wait till me call mommy later. You just wait. Me go see which part him go come back.
Pete, don't be talking them. Go cook up a little food.
You don't have no manners. A little girl that with him, me I put her in her place and make him know say if he humble himself and know a good man when he see good man. Cause boy only here made boy only good for name you out.
I say a Joseph. They might look jive. Is everything I farmer thing more and talk to you about still now. Yeah, me I say you more than why you roll with me.
Me talk to Skinny about it.
You talk to Skinny about it.
Yeah, me you know me can't
You never serious about nothing else. That me not like it. You forward more than I love you forward. You see?
Yeah, but you know, so me can't let him. You look at my man there. Man there out here and me can't let my man out here.
Me not care about if your man out here or whatsoever. This is a good opportunity for you and for me too.
Me have to talk to Skinny about it.
Remember say we alone, you know. Papa gone, you know.
Yeah, man, but you know me not interested in the farm work program sitting. Hear the program. You hear that? You not understand it, you not even not think. You hear what they say program. Be sure you say somebody a program you.
You know, you see you know say you is an official idiot though.
Yeah.
Imagine me I tell you something for your elevator. No, listen. And me I there as I talk. Now listen what I say. Me I talk with into them man. Yo, don't go nowhere, man.
Hey boy, yo. Know what you do when you do. You hear me say?
Yo, hear me I say. And me I talk, me I sister and brother. Hear me I say. Make him wait. Hear me I say? Make him wait.
Yeah.
You know say that girl that idiot though. He not learning, you know.
What you do out there, sir? Now you me a talk to. What you do out there, sir? I mean me no flick him, man. Kick man for kick down this, you know. What you do out there, sir? What me tell about roadside? You a cruff? A cruff alone hang out pan roadside. You hear me tell you? Make me ever pass out there. What is? Where they pan roadside a drink, What is? Go in the yard. Go in the go in the yard.
Later, lucky.
You me kick down you out of this. Go in the yard. Hey boy, know what you do when you do what you do, yeah? Take more man a cruff like your boy. Move and go. Cruff.
Make some nice soup later on. Alright. Get enough of them things, you know. Do what I need to do. Yeah. Oh. I wonder why one son of dude. You really want the money there, you know. You really want the money there. Just I pray she get it.
Yo, Jay.
Yo, me done here, so come in, man. Me done here, so.
Where you go at me killer friend?
There, no, me killer do it same way. You don't know we do it already.
Sure.
Yeah.
Mother a friend. I wish body you bury you now.
What's that some fruits me there try to get her?
So you go on, man. So you go on with.
Well, you know, I said, I shall not try work on to get some money. But our sister move away now. With them, I go link them and a beer thing going down there. You see if I never had Shan. The box and keep down nothing.
What you say?
Yeah.
So you mean to tell me say make it home and them gang in them house?
No, man, I don't. Yo, you see if I assume my respect, Shan. There's a beer thing going down there.
No style, man. But
yeah.
you know me kill a friend, man. Me know you do your thing when you do your thing, man. You know.
You don't know
man.
thing,
Badness for days.
Night and day. All day, every day.
Suffer true.
Yeah.
True.
Don't know we do it already.
For true. For real, man. But me killer.
Yeah.
You know say, coat me want go so for true, bro. You come link you for piece of food, you know. Yeah.
You know say, Shan forget her money from her mother, but her sister move away.
So you know the money in our house, me killer.
Don't worry yourself, I go work on it. I go ask Shan to just link our people because them have money, you know.
Yeah, because you know, I can't go court with my empty pocket, you know, style go. And I don't want to go to jail, you know, because jail don't make for dog.
No, you
understand?
Yeah.
And dogs have no rules, so you see me?
You understand?
So I just want a piece of food to go up on the courtyard.
Alright, now go work on it. Don't worry yourself, now go work on it for you.
Alright, my killer.
Yeah.
I'll link you back in a little bit, because you know the court thing go already.
Alright.
So in a few minutes, now stay too long, I deal with sitting down the road, and then I circle your back so for sure, you see it?
Alright.
Because I have to know what I do when I do what I do. You understand?
Definitely.
Yeah, my killer. I'm so forward, see?
Don't know we do it already when we do it.
When we do it. For sure.
Alright. Alright, so if go link Shannon now to get the money there, cause can't let them be general, you know. Can't let them kill a star. Any means necessary, me have to go get the money there. Shan better know say she have to go call her mother, you know. And I don't want all the one time give me no tough chat because she love chat. Just a run off her mouth, you see if I never want it. Not even say nothing still. Them a go all see. Them a go all see at the end of the day. Just a matter of time. Let them go and stay, play food to catch wise. That them for know.
Sis, where are they from?
Where you there?
I'm not work.
You're not going to work?
No, today I'm day off.
Today I'm going to day off then?
I want to set you up some.
May I say, can I set you good for you? We sit down and reason and talk.
I said, well, what things are going on in my life? I mean, I really like what's going between me and your sister.
True, because we can make them between you, know?
So, sometimes I want to invite some people and they always stay.
Okay, trouble in a paradise, I'm good. Trouble in a paradise, sis.
What boy, Jay?
I don't know.
Loving me, but see, I take up too much of skin, dirty ways. I'm not too like it. Wear short, probably what you get, but just sit down now.
Short from my sister?
No. Take up badness. Just sit down now.
I not tell about what you may attack in my house, did they pick up for him?
So, I'm for pick up for?
No, but for your sin, start showing me gun fingers, sister. Should I say, yo?
Okay, now they avoid him for true, but I'm a man still. Yeah, my sister knows nothing not go too good. And if anything go on, we are blood. Dre.
Not that true. My sis, as my dad tell her from one day, I really choose for you, but I just want to see you walking the right path. And you look nice and everything. And I just know why you take up some wrong bang in your life. You know that one day?
No, I understand, man.
Why you just take up a nice, decent man? You're working, you earn your little money, plus mommy I send money come give you. I know why you have your money and take it and give you every minute. You know what I mean?
I understand.
Why you look into yourself, my sister? I'm in love you.
I'm love it, you know, Mrs. I'm going to tell me I go on all the time. You always did it for me.
I love you so much, my sister.
First, sorry, now I make go.
You have beef for lunch.
What's up now?
Money again, money. You can't have money problems, so. Yeah. Mommy, this a call, you know? Yes, mommy. Mom. No, I'm in there. That thing now going live in your mommy. Shanda, with me today or day after.
I go on, mommy. There. Everything alright.
Alright, alright, you not be able to sell.
Yeah, I'm there, I work there. I go and bill mom.
Okay. So tell me something. What did you want with the money when we did send on the last week? You would be there with food stuff them and so on the sale did all buy?
Yeah, mommy, they buy some food stuff, but the money never enough, so you know, say food stuff run out, you know.
Oh my gosh. I mean, I should say, you know, please your way, so you know, my daughter, trust me, I say I have to work and I make ends meet. I make you money, you know, but so you make it, so you go, but you don't know, so we have to pinch it, because we have to make it hard, alright.
Yeah, so mommy, what go on? So there's so much money I say, no?
You know, so I have pinch one little thing, because you say I want to surprise you, I have a thing I want to send from good. This weekend, something special. I say I want 300,000 to go for, you know, buy up something, cook in a house, buy 2 bits of food, you know. They can't put themselves together as young girls, because I don't want to. I don't ask nobody for nothing, you know.
What you, mommy?
Of course, right. Mommy, I saw if you go.
I want the shirt on, alright.
Yes, mommy.
And if you're not hungry, I don't want no neighbor to know you're not hungry. Over here, so I work, and I do it for someone to know who up on the head. What I say?
Yes, mommy. Who up on the head? You hear that?
Yes, mommy. Yes,
you hear, Shan?
Who up on the head?
Who up your head, Shan?
Yes,
yes, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am. I'm going to send you the receipt. I don't know if you go pick it up. I don't know if it's not tell nobody, so now I'm going to Western Union.
No, mommy, you're mad. You know I'm not that already.
Thing.
Tell Shan.
Yes, I'm going to pick up it, bank down up the bank, buy on the food, buy on the cocoa, and I'll come back home.
You hear, Shan?
Yes, mommy.
Make sure they don't call me when they don't come back. They soon send on the receipt.
Yes, mommy.
Yes, ma'am.
I love when I know my daughter. I don't want the best soon, you know, but I feel like I'm miserable. No, take what me I say, no say.
Yes, ma'am.
I never want to go over here, so let's go, but you don't know where I go.
Yes, mommy.
You understand?
Yes, mommy.
Yeah, man, so I love you, no. No talk to you, no soon, no spend on the receipt. But remember, I don't make nobody know no business.
Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy.
I will love you too, ma'am.
Yes, man. Love you, girls, and be safe.
Yes,
call me as soon as they get here. So they can come.
Yes, mommy. Sound like somebody is at the door.
What should I
do that, Shan?
See through the window before you open the door.
You know Shan enough already.
Alright.
Oh, a Jav.
Jav.
Who that?
Jav.
Okay. Alright.
Man, you know what I talk to Jav?
Maybe say hello, no?
Jav, mommy, I talk to you.
I'll go on my mother-in-law. Alright, man, just a come in from work and thing, you know.
So we can't come to my daughter, you know?
No, I'm kind of empty-handed, but I go chef up some proper dinner this evening.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I prepare something proper for them, some curry shrimp with coconut juice and white rice sitting with that, you know?
Not sound too bad, but you make sure you take care of my daughter, then you know, you make sure you provide.
Tell him, Mom.
Most definitely, man, it is a must.
Alright, man, I know it's joke, you know.
Alright, have a pleasant good evening, yeah? Repeat that?
Yeah, me pitney them, me love them to me heart.
Oh, okay. I love your daughter too, man. I don't do nothing for you right here. I go chef up the dinner now, so finish a small conversation with them here. Alright.
We talk.
Alright, later, man. Love you.
Alright, bless up. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, now I deal with the dinner now one thing. I see my babes.
Alright.
Oh, look at that.
You hear about money, you say you you get kinky. Eh? 300,000, you say you're kinky. But Sean, I don't want you to waste my money this time, man. Please,
No,
sis,
man, let me let
please.
him go.
Please, me, I beg you, do.
No, listen, man. You just have to come. You just have to preach to man like you're a preacher.
Me have to preach to you because you know no sense.
You got Bible school?
Yes.
Relax, man.
Yeah, med. Me at I do have my sister, but that's why you do right here.
Yeah.
I know sister love your big sister love you, don't you? But you thick on me, nobody, you know.
I look him.
I'm big on you.
Alright then.
I'm surprised you're afraid of me so far. You know me afraid. You know nice one? So make it a surprise, you see.
I think a job, because of him one day in here cook. I say I would give him a lick.
Me I think a job, what for be job?
I him one day I cook. I mean, never that expect him to say I come
Could
back.
be job be, you know, say me when I kill that one already, you know, I thought,
Yes,
man,
nobody
yeah,
else.
me I tell you. Yeah, just that.
Store for tell you.
What that?
But get money.
Oh, yes, see that babe, me I tell her, that's why I have to believe in the man, see it.
But the one Kim no want to spend.
Babe, don't watch her, man. I want to tell man, she just going tight, so
You want to watch her?
Yeah.
You see I'm man already?
I tell you, boo.
Plan a trip to Sandals to me,
Yeah.
yo.
That's why I have to love you.
Of
But,
course.
see, but yeah, man. Love how you treat me special, you know. I really appreciate it, you know.
I suppose so.
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah, baby.
You just know if you treat me something like it. Ever I do the thing right way.
Of course.
Yeah. Or yourself, baby, in due time. All of this will go pay off big too. Yeah. Yeah.
Brother, how much time if you tell us a top come on me yard? You're not ashamed. You know I no shame.
Know what you do when you do it. And know what you say when you say it.
You come back with your gun finger. Me not tell you stop come on me yard. You see Shan not here, you know man. Brother just stop come on me yard and you can't hear.
Last time I tell you. Know what you do when you do it. And know what you say when you say it.
I want to come.
Don't come with our drama, you know. Them things man no
tell us
like.
if you talk me call you yes man you come here.
How you call waste man?
Come, let's see.
Me can't tap come here no.
Come here,
Me
but
can't
you
meet
are
meet
thinking you have your man.
him out of gate. Meet
Come.
him out there. So me no want him in here.
Me not tell job. So if you come out of gate, you know, you have to go out of gate to job.
You see if I never one thing, you see if I never
So
see
make
your
him come look
sister.
at my room.
You not here, you know, Shan. Shan, you not here. Listen to your bigger sister when she talk. You see, who can hear Shan must feel. You can't say me never want you, you know. Brother, come out of my house.
Here to the laundry.
Brother, come out, the man.
Laundry. Relax.
I'm telling you,
Come.
youth, come out, man. Move up, move. You see, who can hear must feel. Remember me tell you, Me tired to tell us stuff and make little waste man come up here and hear, brother. But who can hear must feeling at that man tell you. Oh.
Yo, where they go and me killer?
Yeah, I do it for killer.
Thing, man. You me there come linking a father.
Yeah, I do it.
But me I come out from me killer, man.
So I think,
Yo, me killer, you know say. My police link I tell me say, boy,
yeah,
next week. It go there now for sure, you know, but they must say my case. Renew, I go continue next week.
Yeah.
So the killer they must tell me say, yo, you know, say next week they might hold on for me.
Yes.
And put me on bail. $300,000 right now. I'm stressed out.
you
Me
have to
killer.
go walk with the food, man, because you know what thing, man, we can't allow that.
Yo, me killer, I don't know me. I get them food there now, you know, me killer. Right now, me have couple strap me they want to sell. Me can't get them to sell me killer.
Well, you know what I'm going to hear what? How much you say I did money again?
300,000 me killer,
300?
man. Yeah, for sure.
You know what say? Between me and you still, you know
Yeah.
what say? Me or Shan say our mother go send her one piece of food. Yeah.
So, piece of food, when I mean piece of food, I mean like all $100 US.
About 300,000, man.
300,000 US or local.
Local, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
that not bad. I see my amount I need.
That me I say too.
So long. Yeah, I said 300,000.
Yeah.
So, so I fear that you can't just take it for an arm and you know, I get it.
You know, say she didn't want to go up on the hotel, they go have a good time.
Who go up on hotel? Yeah, go up on which hotel? I hear that. I waste people go waste money on hotel killer. What you talk about? I'm telling me killer, man. Waste people waste money on hotel, man. What you talk about me killer, man? Which hotel you talk about? Yeah.
You know, when me met Zid, you know, see right. Because not just a good time we have any money done.
Don't adapt me and try to show me a teach you sense, me killer. No make no girl turn in a fool, me killer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here what go on, man. Enough money that you know, me killer. I mean, I want that for did my thing, you know, me killer. Because man now go to prison, you know. You want your killer go to prison?
Which prison, man?
Here what I want you do for me, Zane?
Yeah.
I want you find out when them a collect your money. You understand? And what time to. Because we run a program, Zane?
Yeah.
Yeah, me killer.
Yeah. What you talk about, man?
Badness for days.
For
so
days,
for
day and night. All day, all night.
You know, we do it, we do it, we do it,
do
and
it
we do it again. Yeah, me killer.
Yeah.
You see the little money you see in my bag and so? Me I take time pinch, you know, pinch me, pinch little. And me a pinch you little. Because me know what you want the money if you go do, you know, and you not get dollar if you go give that your waste.
I chat too much.
So me a pinch.
go on an auntie. I chat too much. What am I?
Up ahead me I go, me not waiting on you.
No problem.
I hope you don't go elaborate your mouth.
I chat too much, man.
Okay. When you're so dark. Wonder if I wear them Maggie shots, so. When you come on and get a while ago, I have to go take you and go pay light man now.
Give me that phone! Yo!
Yo, where the money there? Where the money there? Where the money there?
What do you mean, which money?
Give me the money there!
Which money?
Yo, girl, give me the money now!
Which money?
Give me the money now! Yo, pass the money now!
Give me the money!
Yo, give me the money now! I got
Yo, Skinny, what you do?
Yo!
What you do?
We are calling you for?
Skinny!
Yo, when I say
Everyone, Jay, we are calling you for? Yo, watch it! Yeah, eat that, and you cast this now. Yo, come on, man.
Sir, I do that, man.
Come in, man. Hurry up and come out, man, before the police them come. Yo, you see if you ever do that again, dog. Yo, I want to tell me,
You
killer.
tell me, see, you not can a gun.
Oh, you mean? You ever seen a killer go up and robbery and a can of gun do? Yo,
I can't
know what you do when you do, my youth. You can't call killer name on the scene so for chocho.
Star, what me I go tell Shan say now?
Where say? Tell Shan say what?
You not just kill her sister, what me?
You see me kill nobody. Boy, you're informer, you know, dog. Let me tell you this, man. Know what you do when you do what you do, you know. You hear me tell you? Know what you do for true, you know. Yo, Me I go hold on pan the money till the morning. You hear me tell you?
Hold on pan which money?
Oh, you mean hold on pan which money? I'm a bust a shot in the head, boy. Eh? Hey, boy, don't go run, man, no dog. You know a killer roll already, you know. A man me come link you with the money and give you a piece out tight. Me give you $6,000. Cause you're informer in a boy, I call up my name, you know. Yeah, you see if me ever hear nobody I call me name pan them crime, yeah. Hey boy, you know what you're doing, you do for you, you know. You hear me tell you?
Come, God, let me. Whoa. Come back. You always talk to me, now you're just calling me. What are you going to say? Come.
Good in morning, good in day, good in evening, good in night, good in whatever time you guys tune in all walks of life. I just want to say thank you all and I appreciate you like always. You guys made it this far, make it sentimental to me because I truly, and you know, sometimes I wonder if I put on a show and me, you know, saying all these words and I put things together. And you know, see, Jay, I say it, alright, I'm going to say it because I don't think I can find words to explain how much this means to me because it's not just doing movie, but it's following a dream, doing what you love, accepting life, you know, and that makes you free. That makes you a free man when you can live your dream. You can live whatever inside of you, your thoughts, your ability, and what you are, where you're from. Nobody know, but guess what? We are right here in this time of life and we're living it by being who and what we are. But y'all know, I'm your boy. But if you never know, but now you know, I'm your boy, Skinny, Suffer True. And welcome to Prolong HD. Prolong HD film, where we give you movies. Guys, we give you everything in life because movie is so much. It's not just pointing the camera and say light, camera, action, and the mic talk, as you know, with good audio, you get a good movie. You know, it's more than that. It's more of putting life to show people that these are the things that happen every day. Whether good or bad, whether good, sweet or sour. You know, these are the things that happen in real life. And we take the time out to show you guys. So for us, it's not about money. It's not about being famous, but it's about telling story that a lot of people around the world in all walks of life experiencing in this time of life, you know. So we don't want to end up like some people in the cemetery where we don't live our dream and share with you guys, because we all born with gifts and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. And here at Prolong HD, with all the team members, with everything that we have at our hands, we're gonna make it possible. And as a Jamaican, as a human being, of course, I take the time out to show you guys what other people out there are experiencing. So I just wanna thank you guys. I just wanna be appreciative. You know, this part always be the saddest and the best part for me, you know, to thank you guys. But it gets me too much emotional when it comes to this part, because it's not just something that we get up and do every day because we want to do it or we feel like do it. It means a lot because there's a lot of people out there experiencing life in many different ways, some hurtful, some sad, and we want to show you guys these experiences. You know, it's not just an idea from my head or from any of these members from Prolong HD Ed. It's sometime real life story, and even if it's from it's just an idea, someone can relate to it. So we just want to thank you guys for tuning in. Remember guys, remember, before I forget, I keep forgetting because, you know, it's not really important to say, but in real life, if we don't get them as much subscribers to bring across this message across the world, guys, it's gonna be slow, it's gonna be difficult, it's not gonna be so much what word I can use? It's not gonna be so much impactful if you guys don't help us. We need you guys to help us. We are begging you. Subscribe, share, comment, like. It's important, guys. The moment you start to do that is the moment YouTube start to recommend us to more people, to more audience. And then we can do this together. Because we're bringing Jamaica to the mainstream, to the bigger platform, to the bigger screen. And it's not just me, Skinny, alone, but I'm bringing others that have the same dream just as I do. And these people are not followers. These people are creators, just as how I am a creator. So guys, please remember to subscribe, share, like, comment, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell your auntie of England, and tell your uncle of Africa, and tell everybody across the world. And remember, tell them about everybody in the movie. For true. What a bombshell. I'm your boy, Skinny, so for true. True. Past 6 minutes.
Go on.
Yes, guys, and not just that. We want to big up our fans from Malta, Australia, Uganda, Bulgaria, Nigeria, all the African country, England, Ukraine, Russia, Portuguese, Portugal, everywhere across the world. I want to make you know say we are soon now watch the thing for true. Because YouTube give us a list of all the viewers and the main viewers. America, Canada. And you know what? If I don't call a country name, leave it in the description for true so we can big it up. Because we not big we up. And we like that. We love that. Not even like that. We love that for true. Remember, guys, you guys are important. And we so put the caption them on the movie so we can understand where we are say for true to blast. Remember, guys, you guys are important to us. You are a friend or a family. You are everything to us. Because it's all about love. It's all about being creative, you know, and making you guys happy, making you guys laugh and have a good time. You notice there is no explicit because we're doing it for the family. We're doing it for everybody. The kids love us. You guys love us. A matter of fact, it's a one big family. We are family, yeah. Finish the song. Alright, so guess what, guys? If you don't want a shout out, just leave some comment in the comment section. You know, say big up Jilly, and big up Gilbert, and big up Rupert, big up Miss Angie, big up Miss Patsy. You know, big up Skinny, for true. You know, big up
Rolling.
Big up
Nice. Nick.
Big up
Jay.
Big up everybody. You understand? If you don't want me big up me, but just leave in the comment section, man. Big up some actor too. Write them in the comment section. Yeah, write them in the comment section. Make you know say you know watch you and you know acknowledge with true. So as me say, big up on yourself. So you could have cut off the part and me say big skin, I'm your boy Skinny. So for true. And put that funny. Yeah.